Bugatti Chiron First Sport, Lamborghini Countach, the Jeep Wrangler. Majorette is back in India, and look at the stock here. It is filled with Majorette cars. So now let me show you the premium cars one by one here. There's a lot of them, trust me. So let's start with this one. So you have the Bugatti Chiron First Sport, and then you have the Lamborghini Countach. So these cars are like very cool. Then you have another Bugatti Chiron First Sport. Look how nice these castings are. And then you have the Jeep Wrangler. So the MRP for these are $349. So overall these are like a very cool cars. Then apart from this, you have this shining McLaren Senna in a wonderful green color. So look how nice these are. And guys, do let me know in comments if you have already found it. These are all new Majorette stocks. This is the Audi RS E10, and so there are so many of them. Another McLaren Senna. So look at this. You have the Mercedes AMG GTR, and apart from that, there are so many here. So look at that. You have the moving the construction set. And I want to show you this one, which is like outstanding here. So you have the cargo container again, which is like very cool. And apart from that, you have even the monster trucks here, which is again very nice. But let's explore more cars now. You have the Toyota Yaris. Okay, it's cool there. So overall, there's a lot of cool cars. So I have shown you this car again. So look how nice it is. I have my hands on the Bugatti First Sport, which I'll be buying. And do let me know in comments which are the other cars that you guys will go ahead. This is another Alpine. Then you have Alfa Romeo. So look how nice these are. I'm in fact very happy that they're all back in stock. Then you have the Volvo. So all of them are $349, which is very great. And you have the another Volvo, you have the GMC Hummer. Then so there's a lot of cool cars. Then you have a Range Rover that I want to show you, that is looking actually very nice. So you have the Range Rover here, Range Rover Evo. Look how nice it is. It has a back thing opening there. So the trunk is openable there. It is so cool. So I'll probably go for it, but I'm yet to decide which one I'll go for. So this is another casting that I keep aside. So that is filled with Range Rover. Then I see another Ford. So overall, this is a very cool section, I must say. And luckily, all of them are back in stock. You have the Volkswagen ID bus, which I have it in Hot Wheels, so I wouldn't go for the same thing again. Then another cargo container. So I have this again in Hot Wheels, the GMC Hummer EV. So overall, it is filled with so many of them, and I am left in a dilemma if I should go with the Bugatti or should I go with the Lamborghini. The Lamborghini Countach is there, or the Range Rover. So I'll decide and I'll pick my best from here. Of course, I cannot buy all of them here, but please do like, comment and subscribe, and do check out our other videos. See you guys in my next video.